How to fix 0x8024ce0e, failed to install Windows Update. 1. Pause updates, restart your PC, and resume updates. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Make sure you are connected to a steady network connection. 4. Check if you have enough storage space to accommodate new updates. 5. Unplug external hardware. 6. Reset the software distribution folder. To do so, run the following commands as admin: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop mrs server ren c:\windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart mrs server.